Hey guys, it's Dr. Jamie with New Journey Chiropractic. It's time for another Wellness Wednesday.
Here at New Journey, we think there are 10 things you need to know to be healthy.
And we're going to talk about one of those right now.
Did you know that subluxation is caused by stress?
In chiropractic, we believe that there are 3 T's that cause subluxation in the spine: thoughts, traumas, and toxins. Thoughts would be emotional stressors like having a bad day, being angry, having anxiety. Traumas are things that we think of from a day-to-day basis, whether it's a slip and fall, a car accident, or sedentary lifestyle, sitting at a desk. Chemical stressors, or those toxins, would be things that are out in the environment, cleaning products, things that we can control from day to day.
Managing stress is crucial to maintaining your health and wellness.
We can teach you all the concepts on how to be healthy, but the first step is to contact our office to start your health and wellness journey.